Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a favorite cake of mine, this orange ginger carrot cake. This simple naked cake is the perfect spring cake for any celebration. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Grate 198 grams of carrots with a fine grater. It's important to use a fine grater and not a large grater. Doing a large grate on the carrots can cause your cake to have a gummy texture, which is not ideal. Once the carrots are grated, add in 113 grams of cane sugar, half a cup of canola oil, 2 large eggs, and 57 grams of vanilla yogurt. Whisk together to combine completely. Next, add in 191 grams of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And last, the zest of 1 orange. Fold together to combine into a cake batter. Transfer to 3 parchment paper lined 6-inch cake pans. I like to weigh them and they should weigh about 250 grams each. Bake at 350 degrees for 17 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Allow the cakes to cool completely in the pans before removing. To make the frosting, add 226 grams of softened butter, 454 grams of sifted powdered sugar, 57 grams of cream cheese, and 1/4 teaspoon of orange flavor. Mix on low until combined and then speed the mixture up to high and mix for a few minutes or until it's light and fluffy. Be sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl partway through to ensure the frosting is evenly mixed. Transfer the frosting to a piping bag with Ateco tip number 827. To frost the cake, place the first cake layer on your cake stand or plate. Pipe a spiral of frosting starting at the outer edge and working your way into the middle. Top with a second cake layer, and then repeat the same process 2 more times with the 2 additional cake layers. I like to top this cake with a few orange slices, which is totally optional, but it makes for a pretty and edible decoration. If you want more organic cake recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.